Transform your basement into a versatile and stylish living space with EagleRidge, the trusted name in basement remodeling and finishing in Pleasant Grove, 84062. Whether you're looking to create a home theater, a personal gym, or a comfortable guest suite, our expert team brings your vision to life with precision and care. From modern workspaces and playrooms to wine cellars and entertainment hubs, we offer customized solutions to enhance your home's functionality and appeal. Ready to maximize your basement's potential? Contact us today for a free consultation and expert guidance. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free estimate. Why homeowners choose basement remodeling. Expands usable living space without major home additions. Increases home value and market appeal. Creates energy-efficient and multi-purpose areas. Adds personalized spaces like home offices, gyms, or guest suites. EagleRidge's remodeling process. Consultation. Understanding your needs and design preferences. Design and planning. Creating a layout that maximizes space and style. Execution. High-quality craftsmanship with a focus on efficiency and durability. Why work with us? Our experienced team ensures seamless project execution, clear communication, and customized solutions for every homeowner. With a commitment to quality and attention to detail, we transform underused basements into valuable living spaces tailored to your lifestyle.